Hello students, welcome in Green Valley School. Okay, Green Valley International School. Now I am going to talk about structure of plant tissue and animal tissue. Okay, so now I am going to start. Okay, so first plant tissue. Okay, now we will start plant tissue. Plant tissue. There are two tissue. What is tissue? You know about tissue? First of all, I have given a definition of tissue. A group of cells. A group of cells which perform a particular function. A group of cells which perform a particular function. Okay, particular functions. No group of different type of cell. Group of cell, it means we can say group of similar cell which perform particular function. Okay, you know, group of similar cell which perform particular function. Okay, so now next page we can draw the structure of plant and animal tissue. First of all, suppose that tissue is derived into animal tissue and plant tissue. Animal tissue and plant tissue. Okay. Animal tissue and plant tissue. Now first of all, we draw the concept map of plant tissue. First of all, okay. So next page, you can see plant tissue. Okay. Plant tissue is divided into two. Okay. First, meristematic tissue. Okay. Meristematic tissue. And second permanent tissue. Okay, permanent tissue. Okay, permanent tissue and meristematic tissue. Understood? Now permanent tissue is divided into three parts: apical meristem. We can write only meristem. Okay. And also we can write meristematic tissue, but we can write apical meristem. Okay. And second intercalary. Okay. Intercalary meristem. Okay, meristem. And third point lateral meristem. Lateral meristem. No. Lateral meristem. Okay. Meristem, the spelling of meristem. Okay. Meristem, it means ABRISTEM. Meristem. Okay. So this is the type of meristematic tissue. Now first of all we draw a chart. Okay. Meristematic tissue, there are three: apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. Now next, permanent tissue. Permanent tissue. There are two type of permanent tissue. Okay. First, simple permanent. And second, complex permanent. Okay. Simple permanent, complex permanent. And also simple permanent is divided into next: permanent. Okay. This is also divided into parenchyma, sclerenchyma, and third First parenchyma, sclerenchyma and collenchyma. We can write in second point collenchyma. Okay, collenchyma, collenchyma. We can also write parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. No problem, parenchyma, sclerenchyma and collenchyma. We can write in any sequence. This is a type of simple permanent. This is a type of simple permanent. Now, next we will see type of complex permanent. Type of complex. So now next page. Complex permanent. Complex permanent. Complex permanent. Okay. Okay. First xylem. First xylem and second phloem. Xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem. Xylem carry water and minerals from the root to the soil, to the leaf. Okay, and phloem transfer prepared food by the plant to all parts of the plant. Okay. Now xylem there are four components. Okay, there are four components. Xylem. Okay, xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma. Second, xylem fiber. Xylem fiber. Xylem fiber, or we can say xylem collenchyma. Okay, sorry, xylem sclerenchyma. Or vessels. Vessels and fourth tracheids. Fourth tracheids. Okay. Fourth tracheids. There are four component of xylem. Okay, xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber, vessels and tracheids. Okay. Now we will see a component of phloem. Like this component of phloem. Okay. You can see next page. Phloem. Phloem. Okay. So phloem. It means phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma. Okay. And second, phloem fiber. Phloem fiber. And third, side tube. Third, side tube. Okay. Third, side tube. And fourth, companion cell. Companion cell. Okay. This is the component of phloem. Now we have seen this is the chart of plant tissue. Okay, this is the chart of plant tissue, and next class we will see in next class we will see animal tissue, because animal tissue, the chart of animal tissue is big. So I will discuss next class. Okay, thank you.